Hey, John and Sam here, back on the road to adventure. Where are we headed today, Sam?
Today we are headed to the Gem Lakes in Narrow Hills Provincial Park.
That's right. The Gem Lakes are remnants of the last ice age, and they're completely isolated with no rivers or streams at all running into them. And each lake is named after a gem based on their very unique color. So let's check them out. Here we are at Jade Lake.
Right back where we started.
We hiked past Diamond,
And Opal,
within spitting distance of Sapphire,
just to come back to Jade.
because all the other campsites were full.
So moral of the story, get here early.
But it is worth it. It's a beautiful area. Now for the best part about finishing a day of hiking, making supper. And those were the Gem Lakes. I can't say I saw the colors that the lakes are named after, but they were still very beautiful.
We also learned some things on our visit. Sites are limited, and it is a popular place, so keep that in mind when you're planning.
Also, don't forget your bug spray. You're gonna need this.
Also, the lakes are surprisingly warm, so be sure to bring a towel and a bathing suit to take a dip.
Now keep in mind, there are no bare caches or bare poles, but there are plenty of trees, and you should always string your food up, so no excuses.
Keep these tips in mind and you'll love your visit to the Gem Lakes.
Until next time, keep exploring.